Hi dear children, welcome to the nice class. Are you happy with our online classes? Okay, very good. Today, let us study how to make different numbers using the given digits without repetition. Okay, how to make different numbers using the given digits without repetition of digits. Take your notebook. Write down the first question. Write one-digit numbers using the digit 3. How many one-digit numbers are possible with the digit 3? You write down in the notebook, all of you. Okay, go to answer. Okay, 3. Very good. How many numbers? Only one number. Only one number is possible with the digit 3. The digit is 3. How many number is possible? Only one number is possible. If in the place of 3, if you get any other number, how many number is possible? There also only one number is possible. Okay. Then you write down the second question. How many two-digit numbers are possible with the digits 2 and 3? Now you have two digits 2 and 3. You write down the answer in your notebook. Okay. What the answers all of you? What are the place values in a two-digit number? Ones and tens. So we can start with the digit 2. So we have the number 23. 2 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. If you interchange the digits, you get the second number as 32. Okay, all of you? So how many numbers? Only two numbers. Is there any possibility? No possibility. So how many numbers are possible? Two numbers. Can you say which is the smallest among these two? 23 is the smallest one and the largest is 32. 32 is the largest number. Can you notice anything in these digits, in the arrangement of the digits? Okay, here the given digits are in the increasing order. That means smaller to larger. In the largest number, can you notice this? Okay, here the digits are in the decreasing order, larger to smaller. That is, in the smallest one, digits are in the increasing order. In the largest one, the digits are in the decreasing order. Got these points, all of you? Okay. Now, write down the third question. Can you write all three-digit numbers with the digits 2, 3 and 8? 2, 3 and 8. You have three digits, 2, 3 and 8. You try to write it in your notebook, all of you. Okay. What the answers? What are the place values in a three-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds. Starting with 2. 2 in the hundred place, 3 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. You have the number 213. Again starting with 2, interchange these two digits. Then you have the second number 283. Again starting with 3, 2, 8, 328. Then 382. Now you can start with the digit 8, 832, 823. Is there any other number? No. So how many numbers you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 6 numbers. 6 numbers are possible with the digits 2, 3 and 8. Here also. Can you find the smallest one? Okay. 238 is the smallest one. Here also the digits are in which order? Okay, increasing order, smaller to larger. Which is the largest number? Okay, 832. This is the largest number. Here the digits are in the decreasing order, larger to smaller. Okay, all of you. Here we have discussed three problems. The first problem, using one digit, we have only one number. Using two digits, we have two numbers. Using three digits, we have six numbers. Now let us move to the fourth problem. Write down all the four-digit numbers using the digits 2, 3, 8 and 9. You consider the digits 2, 3, 8 and 9. Try to find the answers. What are the answers, all of you? Okay, we can discuss the answers. What are the place values in a four-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. Okay, starting with 2. That is 2 in the thousand place, 3 in the hundred place, 8 in the tens place, 9 in the ones place. You have the first number 2389. Okay, again starting with 2, 3 in the hundred place, interchange these two digits. You have the second number 2398. Again starting with 2, 8, 3, 9. 2839. Clear all of you? Okay, 2893. Then 2938. Okay, 2983. So how many numbers are here starting with 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Like that, you can find 6 more numbers starting with 3. Starting with 3, then 2, 8, 9. 3289. Then 3298, then 3829. Can you follow me? Okay, 3892, then 3928, then 3982. Clear all of you? Okay. Now starting with 3. We have 6 numbers. Then you consider 8 as the first number, 8 as the first digit. Then we can write 8239, 8293, 8329, 8392, 8932, 8923. Here also 6 numbers starting with 8. Now we can start with the digit 9. Okay, 9238, 9283. Okay, all of you? Then can you say the next number? Okay, 9328, 9382, then 9823, then 9832. Here also how many numbers? 6 numbers. So here how many numbers are, how many 4-digit numbers are here? 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. So there are 24 4-digit numbers. Using these digits 2, 3, 8 and 9, we have 24 numbers. We have 24 numbers. Okay, all of you? Okay, which is the smallest one? Smallest among these 24 numbers? Can you find? Okay, 2381 is the smallest number, isn't it? Which is the largest number? This is the smallest number. Okay. Which is the largest number? Can you find it? Okay, 9832 is the largest number. Largest one. Here the digits are in the decreasing order. Okay, so if you want to write 4-digit number using the 4 digits, then if you want to find the smallest one, then you want to arrange that digit in the increasing order. If you want to find the largest number, you want to arrange the digits in the decreasing order. Okay, all of you? Now, we have, if you get a question like this, how many 5-digit numbers are possible with the 5 digits? Is it easy to write that numbers? Okay, it is possible, but it will take time, no? And if you want to find 6-digit numbers using 6 digits, that are also possible. There also we want to use more time to find the answer. So we will try to get a new method to find the numbers in the numbers possible with the given digits. Okay, all of you, we will try to find the easy method. You consider this table, all of you. You write down this table in your notebook also. From the above 5 problems, we want to write the answers in 2 columns. Number of digits and maximum numbers. The first problem, we have only 1 digit. And we also get only 1 number, isn't it? And we can write that as 1 itself. In the second problem, how many digits you have? Okay, 2 digits. How many numbers you have? Okay, there also we get 2 numbers and we can write this 2 as 1 into 2, isn't it? 1 into 2 is 2. Understood all of? Okay. Now in the third problem, how many digits? Okay, you have 3 digits. How many numbers are there using that 3 digits? Okay, using that 3 digits, we get 6 numbers. And we can write that 6 as 1 into 2 into 3. Is it correct now? Okay, 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1, 6. Clear all of you? Okay. Now in the fourth problem, how many digits you have given? Okay, 4 digits are given. How many numbers are possible with that 4 digits? 24. Okay, we can write that 24 as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Is it correct? 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So if you get a question like this, how many numbers are possible with 5 digits? And 5 digits are given also. No need to write all that numbers. If you want only the numbers only, you can use this trick. If the number of digits is 5, the maximum numbers possible with these 5 digits is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. So how many numbers are possible? 120 numbers. Is it easy to write these 120 numbers? No. So you can use this trick to find the maximum numbers possible with the given digits. Now 2 more questions is there. Number of digits is 6. You want to find the maximum numbers possible with that 6 digits. And the number of digits is 7. What is the maximum numbers possible with these 7 digits that you want to find yourself? Okay, all of you? Write down the next question in your notebook. Write the largest number, largest 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number using these 6 digits 253069. And you have to find the sum and difference also. Okay. If you get a question like this, first you want to find the largest number, then you want to find the smallest number. Okay, you try to find the largest number and smallest number. Okay. You got the answer? Okay. we can discuss the answer. So what is the largest number? You know how to get the largest number if some digits are given. For getting the largest number, we want to write the digits in which order? Decreasing order, larger to smaller. So which is the largest digit here? 9. The second one, 6. Third, 5. Next you want to write 3, then 2, then 0. How can we read this number? 9 lakh 65,320. 9 lakhs 65,320. Okay, all of you. Then next is you want to find the smallest number. Smallest number, for getting the smallest number, what is the method? So you want to arrange this digit in the increasing order, smallest to the largest. For that you want to consider the smallest digit firstly. Which is the smallest digit? 0. If you start with 0, then 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Then how many, can you read this number? Then we can read it only 23,569. That it will become a 5-digit number. But you want to write a 6-digit number. So is it possible to start a 6-digit number with 0? No. So we want to arrange these two digits. So we cannot start with 0. So we can arrange these two digits. Okay. You take 2 in the lakh place, 0 in the 10,000 place. That means we get the smallest number 2,03,569. This is the smallest number. Okay, all of you? Okay. Then if you want to find the sum of these two numbers, you write this number firstly, second this number, add the numbers. If you want to find the difference of these numbers, you write the largest one firstly, the smallest one secondly, then find the difference. You want to minus that two numbers. Okay, all of you? That type of questions are given in your textbook. Okay. Now, you have one more homework. Question is, in your textbook on page number 40, the first question, let's make numbers using the given digits. You want to write down this question in your notebook and try to find the answer and send it to me. Okay, are you clear? Okay, then stay home, stay safe.